Yeah, okay. I already introduced that before.
It's just old Kabians go there.
Okay.
Good people, good handling, like that. Okay? But we'll go to prayer now.
خلاص كم ما يجي انت ما يجي خساره
Mobi World. You can buy a hair and swap.
You bring it here, I will. This one
How much, Munir? Now I will make video. Come to Munir here. Munir is good repairing mobile and anything. You buy here. Mobi World, no, I changed your name in my YouTube.
Check it.
You check it? I changed the name Mobi World because it's different now. I've changed. How about your perfume? I bring the perfume there. What perfume you have?
Yeah.
See, this one I will upload again, huh? Tomorrow? Or how much the cost, brother?
That was 150.
How much?
150.
Original?
Yeah, original.
Really?
Yeah.
This perfume, you see my perfume? I buy for him. The perfume in the car. It's my friend. If he sees this, maybe next time he will come. Give discount, huh? Tell them Ariel, they are making vlog for you.
No problem.
Munir!
Yeah.
No problem after that problem.
No, maybe.
No, you are my
After
okay.
coming, no problem. Make it a special your price, okay?
Yes. See this, I will post. This is very good now because I use, you see my phone, Oppo.
Oppo. How
Yeah,
is mobile? Good?
it's good, number one. I need mobile also. After I will.
All model.
How much this one?
Only 45.
45? I think I like this one. I will bring in the Philippines. Yeah, 45 is tick. No discount. I think they have discount.
Huawei Y9 in this color. Huawei Y9s.
What's your name, brother? I forgot.
My name is Umar Shah.
Omar Shopee. Introduce your product. Really? It's now I make it video. How much this one? Show me. What's that? Bulgari? How much? Huh?
Make you best of price.
How much? This is original or second? Same. This is good phone now. You will see very good on my blog. Really. Yes, of course. He will upload this one. Maybe after tomorrow or what you want to me?
Without a sound.
Huh?
Without sound.
Without sound you want?
Make song.
What you want? I will make sounds or no more sound? Song?
Songs without sound.
Without sounds you want? Okay.
Then you just introduce the.
Yeah, okay. This is Mobi World. So I will not put sounds here. Shiway by now.
في اسود اسود فيه كم الاخر بس هات لي بس بالاخر ها
A16. This is my phone. How much that one? How many? How much?
मास्टर वक्त जब फोन बोला कवर आ जाएगा आप जाके चेक कर लो ये लोगो वाला है नहीं है देखिए
بس ما في لون اسود
Brother, how much that one? No offer?
لا في انا شو
Sure. I will see you in YouTube this one. What's your name again? I forgot. Asif. How much this one?
This one only 80 riyals.
80 riyal?
Discount. Promotion.
Of course, you know. I know you will give me discount. Sure. You buy here with Asif watch, huh? This is very good. He's very good man. What's this? Bulgari?
Bulgari.
Well, number one, huh?
इधर क्या इधर है गैस वाला चाहिए आप बोल रहे हैं कवर आने वाला
Full watches.
There is no problem. Your fish, I will make it photo. Then, sure? Yeah, okay. I will up this one.
Yeah.
Your face I will put on the first page. When you see the YouTube channel, you are there and you watch.
No problem.
So I tell you. So this is what I like this. How much? This is I like it. How much this one? Asif.
This one couple Sandan selling. But
How
no
much?
discount, 100 selling. But
Wala.
different prices. Have offer. Promotions.
100. Ito ang gusto ko. Matagal ko nang inaano. Simple.
Meron discount.
May discount ah? Sure ah? When I come back sure, you give it to me this one.
Sure.
Ganda niya. Matagal ko nang gusto to. Ilang araw, ilang buwan ko nang pabalik-balik ako dito eh. Kasi wala lang ako mapagbigyan eh. Mahirap lang. May discount yan. Munir, what happened? Sorry. What happened? How much? 160. 160. Discounted? He will, maybe, I will not be here. He will come back alone. Because his house is very near from here. You tell already?
First class model also. One coming for 140 coming. This original also other customer selling 190. This is Mobi original warranty.
Okay.
That one I make it for you 160.
160.
Okay.
Include labor?
Or Mobi there.
Include labor that one?
No problem.
Okay. I will tell them.
Yes, believe.
160 daw. Okay. Price, Asif.
Yeah.
Asif. I will cut this one. See your face. Tomorrow inshallah I will upload in the
Okay,
YouTube.
no problem.
So we go to Asif. Buy watch. His watch is all is quality.
Yeah.
What you Chico? What is your? We will promote it. Chico. What else your watch?
Everything.
Chico, Jika, G-Shock. What else?
Petron and Navy Force. Any brand you can buy.
Okay, you come here. This is Souq. Ano?
Souq Jabber.
Souq Jabber. Okay. Yes, enough.